In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo collage in Canva in just under 5 minutes. Creating a collage can be a fun and creative way to showcase your favorite memories, and Canva makes this process incredibly easy and user-friendly. Whether you're creating a collage for personal use, social media, or even for a special gift, this tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring that you have a beautiful collage by the end. First, let's head over to Canva's homepage. Start by typing collage into the search bar. This will bring up a wide variety of predefined templates, perfect for getting us started. Canva offers numerous options ranging from simple grids to more elaborate designs. Take your time to browse through these until you find one that resonates with your vision. Once you find a template you like, click on it to select it. This will open the template in a new window, allowing you to customize it fully. Canva gives you the flexibility to change the layout, adjust colors, and personalize text, making it a versatile tool regardless of your creative needs. Now that you've selected your template, the next step is to customize it. Click on Customize this template to open the editor. This is your creative playground where you can move elements, change text, and add embellishments to match the theme or mood you're going for. You can also experiment with Canva's stickers, shapes, and icons to make your collage even more unique. Next, add your own photos to the collage. On the left-hand panel, click Uploads to bring in your images. Canva allows multiple uploads at once, saving time. Drag and drop each image into the designated spaces on your template. If an image doesn't fit perfectly, use the resizing handles or double-click to reposition or crop it within the frame. Take your time to adjust the arrangement until you're satisfied. Mixing photo orientations or layering images can make your collage more dynamic. Adding borders or frames around individual photos can make it pop even more. Once you're happy with your collage, download it in your preferred format, ready for printing or sharing online. Creating a photo collage with Canva is a fun way to express your creativity and relive cherished moments. Happy creating and enjoy showcasing your memories in a beautifully crafted collage.